Hello, I'm Anna Steingruber with Consulting Specifying Engineer here at AHR Expo 2025 at the Grundfos booth. Today I'm talking to Josh Talley, who is the Senior Manager for the U.S. Digital Center of Excellence here with Grundfos. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Okay, I've got a few questions for you. So to start, just what role does variable speed technology play in modern pump selection?
I think we're starting to see more specifications coming through where it's a requirement. So where we might traditionally have used a fixed speed motor and a lot of things, they're getting more efficient, but using variable speed really lets you dial it in. And because it's becoming more of a requirement, we see it more and more on specifications.
Got it. That makes sense. So how does Grundfos Select streamline the pump selection process compared to more traditional methods in the past?
Well, for starters, we default to sorting by the most efficient product. So no matter what you select on it, the first option you're going to get is going to be the most efficient. And we try to make it really simple to select the right types of products so you don't have to fumble around and memorize all of our product lines or names or anything like that. But we try to make it pop up to the top so you know you can just select the first result and keep going.
Very nice. Well, simple is always good, always easier.
But it's hard to do, yes.
Hard to do, but better, yes. So how does the software specifically ensure that engineers are going to select the most energy efficient pump for whatever applications they have?
Aside from the default sorting that we have, a lot of our products are just very efficient to begin with. Grundfos has always emphasized efficiency in their products. We're mainly based in Denmark, and they're very eager to have the most efficient products. So that's kind of in the culture to begin with. So no matter what you get, you're probably going to get a really efficient selection. We just try to bring that to the top in the results.
Right, that makes sense. That makes sense. So how is this push for electrification and decarbonization, specifically here in the States, impacting pump selection?
Yeah, every company is looking at this. I think there's a growing trend and emphasis on trying to be more sustainable in everything that we do. And at Grundfos, we're trying to operate our business that way. Our main headquarters is a LEED Platinum certified building. Our products emphasize sustainability. Almost everything's recyclable. It's really in our blood, and we try to emphasize that in our tools and how we run our business.
Right, right. And one more question for you. What specific trends or challenges do you think that engineers should be aware of in the next few years, and how is Grundfos Select addressing these challenges or issues?
There's a growing need for these sustainable initiatives, and people really want to have products that meet that and are low carbon and very efficient. So like I said, it's really all what we do. And with our tool, we're trying to bring those products to the forefront. We've got our Delta HCU systems. We've got this distributed pumping model here that we've really tried to highlight. It's a new way of doing things and is a little different than kind of what tradition has dictated. But those traditional methods don't always lend themselves to being the most sustainable and efficient. So we're trying to introduce some new ways of doing things, and our tool is built so that we can highlight those new ways of doing things.
Great. Well, that was a great overview. Is there anything else about the show or about Grundfos that you'd like to say?
This is a great company. I've been here for over 20 years, and I love what we're trying to do and our mission. And I actually got to have one of our pumps installed in my house this year, and my wife absolutely loved it because it used to take a minute to get hot water in our bathroom faucet. And now you turn it on and it is instantly hot. We've had a lot of interest in that product and our Legos, and it's just been a great show, and we're glad to be here and sharing with everybody.
Well, great to hear that. Thanks so much for talking to me. I really
thank you very much.
Very nice. And to our audience, once again, I'm Anna Steingruber. This is Josh Talley. I'm here at AHR covering HVAC and pumps, all kinds of things like that. So for more information on any of these topics, check us out at www.csemag.com. Thanks, and talk to you soon.